If you want an effective soap that will repair your skin, this black soap recipe is what you want to try, because you're going to definitely love this one if you have damaged skin, if you have dull skin. So this soap will help to brighten out your skin and make your skin flawless. So you need potato leaves. Potato leaves is packed with antioxidants. Okay, it packs with hydrating ingredient that will make your skin look hydrated. So put it into a bowl like this and you're going to be washing it. Okay, so this is sweet potato leaves. Okay, take note, sweet potato leaves. So you're going to thoroughly wash the sweet potato leaves, and the next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a pot and you're going to cook it. You're going to add water and you're going to boil it, right? So next we have aloe vera plant. Okay, we are going to be getting the aloe vera gel. Okay, so that is what we are going to be using to make the soap. So take your time and get the aloe vera gel from the plant. Aloe vera gel is also a hydrating ingredient that will help to make this soap calming and hydrating. So here is the aloe vera gel. Okay, so we are going to set this aside. So this is the boiled potato leaves. Okay, is cooled here. Okay, so you're going to strain. Get a clean mortar. So put camwood powder, then shea butter. Okay, then next you're going to pound, okay, to combine. Alright, so make sure that this mortar is used strictly for skincare. You don't want to use mortar that is used for edible stuff, okay, to make your soup. Okay, so next you're going to be adding the aloe vera gel, then you're going to pound to mix. So this serves as a mixer. So if you have heavy duty mixer, you can also use it. Okay, make sure you blend everything together, like so. Just take your time to blend everything together, guys. I'm going to love this particular soap recipe. Okay, it will make your skin flawless and beautiful. If you have dull skin, this will come in handy. Just take your time, make sure you watch this video to the end so you can be able to get the full ingredients, right? So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to add the black soap base. Then you add glycerine, honey, okay, tumeric oil, palm oil, licorice root powder, boiled potato leaves water, then preservative. And you're going to combine everything together. Okay, so make sure that you blend everything together. Take your time to blend it together. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the full ingredient, okay, in the description. So make sure you check it out and make sure you make yours. So you're going to take your time to pound, okay? You're going to pound, give it a good mix, okay? So guys, if you've been looking for a soap that will just naturally brighten your skin, this soap will naturally brighten your skin. Okay, so this is a soap you want to try out. Okay, if you have damaged skin, you have dull skin, this is also a soap you should try out. This is a black soap that will help to bring out the natural color of your skin. This soap doesn't bleach, but what it will do is to naturally brighten your skin and add this radiance to your skin, and is very hydrating because of the hydrating ingredient we've added to this soap. So this soap will not strip off the natural oils on your skin. No, it will not strip it off. Okay, it will still retain the natural oils on your skin, and it will actually do the cleansing job, and it will still leave your skin very much hydrated. So if you've been looking for a soap that will just do justice to your skin, make your skin look beautiful, make your skin look supple, flawless and soft, okay, this is a soap you want to use, because the ingredients used in making this soap, okay, are ingredients that will help you achieve result. As you guys can see, we are done, okay, mixing the soap, and this is how the soap is looking like. It's going to be like a paste. Okay, it's a paste soap. So next I'm going to get a sterilized container. Make sure that the container you're scooping in your soap is a clean container. You don't want a dirty container, then you scoop in your soap, okay, like so. So it's easy to come up. You just get your ingredients and combine them, and voila, you have your repair soap, you have your brightening soap, you have that soap that will make you achieve that flawless skin. And guys, this is the soap, okay? So you can just make this soap and start using it, and your skin will definitely thank you. And this soap was amazing. Like, once you use this soap to wash your skin, you're going to feel this smoothness on your skin, and it's going to leave your skin hydrated. Okay, and aside from that, this soap foamed very, very well. Okay, it's hydrating and it also foams, so it's going to cleanse your skin and it's still going to leave your skin very much hydrated. So this is me testing the foam of this soap, and guys, it will wow you. Okay, the soap was foaming and it left my skin hydrated. So this is a soap recipe you want to try out if you've been looking for something that will naturally brighten your skin, repair your skin, and make you achieve that flawless skin. This is a soap recipe you have to try out. So check out the ingredients in the description and don't forget to give me your feedback. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.